Well, there's so many things that make paperless parts different and better from other things that we've considered. We don't mandate a lot of things across our business units, but we do mandate the utilization of paperless parts. My name is Jamie Goettler. I'm the Chief Revenue Officer for BTX Precision.
My name is Jake Jorgensen. I am a technical consultant for BTX.
BTX Precision is a contract manufacturing organization, build-to-print company. As of today, we have 6 independent business units.
I joined the team and we started working on things that we thought were important to the organization, and paperless was one of those.
Each of BTX's business units are on their own ERP system. When we decided to move to paperless parts, the integration of paperless parts, every one of these systems was slightly different, but it was done expeditiously and done very, very well by the paperless parts team.
Getting somebody to grasp the idea of just changing any system is difficult. When we start looking at the paperless ecosphere and bringing them in, it's not necessarily always one for one, but change is going to be for the better, right? So it's not, how can I do this current thing in paperless? It's maybe, how can we adapt our system into the paperless thing to grow together?
We recognize, just like a lot of companies do, that the sooner you can get that quote in front of a customer, the better situated you are to potentially earn that business. So paperless parts allows us to do that speed thing first and do it responsibly. And with all of us having access to paperless parts, we're able to communicate through that system and potentially quarterback certain jobs that may be better for one business unit versus another. And paperless parts allows us that pipeline of communication that really nothing else does.
We actually had the opportunity to bring some of our team to the paperless headquarters and do our initial onboarding and discovery with them in office. And that was game-changing for me because we had all of the resources at our fingertips. It's one of those things that you look back and think, we should have done this for all of the business units, right?
To work with the paperless parts team has really been, I want to say, go as far as to say a dream, but man, it's really smooth. Like it's something that I don't have to think about or worry about, quite frankly.
Multiple different personas inside the shops have access into paperless, so it's no longer this singular idea where the guy is putting his thoughts in, and then if we win or lose the job, it goes out to the shop and let them figure it out.
The ability for me to take analytics of all of those business units and roll them up, the idea is over time, it'll give me a line of sight, maybe a leading indicator, even better than a book-to-bill ratio that we use right now, to say, boy, if I have X number of quotes in the funnel and I win historically X percentage of them, I can really start to plot out what the future looks like for us. So our ability to do these implementations and integrations really allows me to be better intelligent about our business.
Yeah, the team is fantastic. Anybody who interacts with the paperless team will get that feeling within the first 5 minutes of talking to people.
When it comes to the implementation teams, the integration teams, the sales teams, and then upper management within paperless, there's a full level of trust from me to that group. And so I don't have to call, I don't have to ask questions. I just know that weekly they're going to hit their milestones and be on time, and then we're going to be off and running, enjoying all the fruits of the great labor of the amazing software that they've organized.